Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. What we happen to have on a test stand here is a 502 big block Chevy. It's going to go into a Chevelle. Again, custom building with quality parts. It's something a lot of people don't understand. You know, there's a lot of guys out there building motors, but when you're building a flat tappet motor, I'm telling you now, I've been in this industry since I'm 13 years old. Flat tappets are a thing of the past. It's like a computer. Computers came out, they took over slow stuff. Well, again, a flat tappet came as old engineering. Roller camshaft, even still being hydraulic roller, they don't have the valve adjustment. But again, it's a camshaft that will never wear out, has a better idle ability, a nice smooth transition from idle to upper RPM, and it's just a fantastic design. All you gotta do is look them up and check it out. And that's the way to go when you're building a performance engine today. And especially that you can go fuel injected also on top of this old school type look. But again, our big blocks, our small blocks, they are all built with quality parts and assembled by me with quality parts. And that's this thing. If you want quality to last, it's gonna cost a little more. But again, that's what you're looking for. That's what we provide. This happens to be one of our big block 502s. Check it out. How's that for fire up? Up around 1200 RPM right now. Nice. We'll watch the idle come down. Fuel injection is fantastic, man.